The Iraqi Army Aviation Command (IAAC) has reportedly signed a contract with France in early August 2024 to acquire tactical transport helicopters made by Airbus Helicopters. The contract covers 12 newly built H225M Caracal helicopters and 2 refurbished H225 helicopters. About the Airbus Helicopters H225M, previously known as the Eurocopter EC725, is a long-range tactical military transport helicopter developed from the AS532 Cougar. This helicopter is designed as a multi-role military transport helicopter for transporting troops and logistics, air medical assistance (PMU), as well as search and rescue (SAR) and combat search and rescue (CSAR) duties. The H225M is crewed by 2 crew, pilot and copilot, and 1 Air Helmsman, and can accommodate 28 troops. As propulsion, the H225M is powered by 2 Makila 2A1 turboshaft engines made by Turbomeca, each with 2,156 shaft horsepower. In terms of performance, it has a maximum flight speed of 324 km per hour with a flight height of up to 5,343 meters and a distance of 920 kilometers. The presence of the H225M itself is to strengthen IAAC's multipurpose transport fleet. Even though they actually have quite a lot of Russian-made Mi-8, Mi-17 helicopters, a total of 45 units, unfortunately only 7 helicopters are operational.